Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making egg dumplings. Without further ado, let's get started. First, mince 200 grams of lean pork into very fine pieces for a better texture. Next, crack 3 eggs into a bowl and add 10 grams of cornstarch. Stir well until the mixture is smooth. The cornstarch will thicken the egg mixture, making the egg wrap more resilient. Then, place the minced meat into a bowl and add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, minced garlic, chopped green onions, 10 milliliters of light soy sauce, 10 milliliters of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix everything evenly. These seasonings will make the minced meat more flavorful. Then, heat a pan with 20 milliliters of oil, just enough to coat the surface. Use a ladle to pour a scoop of the egg mixture into the pan, forming a round egg wrap. Quickly add the minced pork on top of the egg mixture. Wait for 15 seconds to let the egg set slightly. Carefully roll the egg to encase the minced pork, being gentle to avoid tearing the wrap. Heat water in a pot. Place the cooked egg dumplings on a plate. Steam them for 10-15 minutes with a lid on. This steaming process ensures the dumplings are fully cooked and allows the pork to absorb the egg's flavor. Once steamed, remove the dumplings from the steamer and serve. Friends, you must try our egg dumplings. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share.